Welcome to our exploration of socialization and the creation of social identity. Have you ever wondered how we learn to fit in society, or why we behave the way we do? Socialization is the process through which we learn the norms, values, and roles that shape our behavior and identity. From the moment we are born, our families, schools, peers, media, and even religious groups all play a part in teaching us how to interact with others and understand our place in the world. This process is not just about learning rules, it's about developing a sense of belonging and understanding what makes our society unique. As we move through life, these influences help us form our own identities, guiding how we see ourselves and how others see us. Let's dive deeper into the elements that construct our social reality. Understand how socialization works, we need to look at the building blocks of culture: roles, norms, and values. Culture is the way of life shared by a group, taught and learned through socialization. Roles are the expected behaviors attached to positions like student, parent, or friend. Norms are the specific rules that guide how we act in different situations, while values are the beliefs about what is important. For example, a phone is both a material object and a symbol of connection in our culture. These elements work together to create a predictable and stable society, but they also allow for change and diversity. As we interact with others, we learn not only what is expected but also how to interpret and sometimes negotiate these expectations. This dynamic process helps us navigate complex social environments and develop our unique identity. Key debate in sociology is whether our behavior is shaped more by nature, our biology and instincts, or by nurture, the environment and socialization we experience. Studies of feral children who grow up without human contact show that without socialization, children do not develop the behaviors we consider human, like language or walking upright. This suggests that nurture plays a crucial role in shaping who we become. Socialization happens in stages. Primary socialization occurs within the family, teaching us basic skills and values, while secondary socialization happens through schools, peers, media, and religion. Each agency of socialization not only teaches us how to behave but also acts as a form of social control, using rewards and punishments to encourage conformity. Through these processes, we develop our social identities, how we see ourselves in terms of class, gender, ethnicity, and age, and learn to navigate the expectations of society. Let's take a closer look at the main agencies of socialization and how they influence us. The family is our first teacher, shaping our earliest values and behaviors through love, guidance, and sometimes discipline. As we grow, schools introduce us to new roles and expectations, teaching us not just academic skills but also how to interact with authority and peers. Peer groups become important as we seek acceptance and learn about ourselves through friendships and group norms. Media exposes us to a wide range of ideas, values, and behaviors, often reinforcing or challenging what we learn elsewhere. Religion, for those who practice, provides moral guidance and a sense of community, influencing both personal values and social norms. Each of these agencies uses different forms of rewards and punishments, called sanctions, to encourage us to conform to societal expectations. Together, they help us become functioning members of society, while also allowing us to develop our own unique identities. Social identity is not fixed, it evolves as society changes. Factors like globalization, increased choice, and the blending of cultures mean that identities based on class, gender, ethnicity, and age are constantly being redefined. For example, traditional gender roles are being challenged, and new forms of family and community are emerging. The media and global communication expose us to different ways of life, encouraging us to question old norms and adopt new ones. As a result, individuals have more freedom to shape their own identities, but they also face new challenges in balancing personal choices with societal expectations. Understanding socialization helps us appreciate the complexity of human behavior and the ongoing negotiation between individual agency and social structure. By reflecting on our own experiences, we can better understand how society shapes us, and how we in turn can shape society.